Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The distance between the points a 0, 6 and b 0, minus 2 is. We know that distance between any two points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is given by under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square units. So in this case, distance between AB will be under root of, we'll simply put the values here. So x1 and x2 both are 0, so 0 minus 0 whole square plus 6 minus of minus 2 whole square units. Now this part is 0 and this part is 6 minus of minus 2 is 6 plus 2, which is 8 square. So under root of 8 square is nothing but 8 units. So distance between AB is 8 units. Answer is option B.